Hello Internet, this is our tutorial on how to build an $8 Ikea table. All right, you want to get started?
Okay.
All right.
How do I do this?
Oh, there's an end, and you just rip it, like it's Christmas.
Okay,
I've given up.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 2017, they added sentient plastic.
I do not know what that means.
It's plastic that can think for itself. Yeah.
Probably hates me.
All right. So in this package, it's just
We have
litter. This is America. We have 4 legs, a top, a box. Okay. So in this box, we have lots of goodies that you might need.
Is it candy?
No, honey, it's not candy.
Oh.
All right. What's this? Instructions? We don't need those. We might need them. I don't want.
Now we get this.
So yeah. So
And we put the. How does this work? Ah! I'm gonna get hit in the face. Oh my god. Is this 3rd grade over again? Oh my god. I do not understand what I gotta do.
I think we just
Wait. It's probably easier to put it in here first. No, it's really not. I am trying. I can't.
Okay. So I
This
think.
is already really hard.
Yeah. I think we just like lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Oh yeah. It's working really well.
Oh, I have an idea.
Spoiler alert.
I have an
It does
idea.
not work.
I think.
See, I'm that professional. I'm not even looking at it. I probably already messed up. No, I didn't. And that's how you build. I don't know how to English.
All right. So the whole table's assembled. This is how it's supposed to look, I think. Wait.
Probably
It's like this.
I feel like this. Okay, Sean, so we're done with it. What do we do?
All right. So
How do you use it? I don't know.
to
I'm not
use
American.
an IKEA table, you just go like this. And that's how you use it. I think it's defective. You know what they say when something's defective? They say turn it off and on again. I think that's wrong. There, now it's working. See? It's working now.
$8. How do I do it? I just turn it on? And
Turn it on. Yeah, just turn it off.
I think it's working, guys. Or did I mess something up? Do you think I can eat the table? Just kidding.
You want a taste?
Give me a taste of the table.